Gina.
Yes?
You got me for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Then I'll do anything you want me to do.
Anything? Do you think you could clean my house?
What?
Thank you very much for the sex worker you sent to my home. But if I want that, I will find it in my own marriage.
Can you get the vibe? No.
You know you haven't remembered my birthday for 5 years.
There was a restructure.
I'm sorry.
No, I mean, she's right, guys. It's not like any of us singles are getting any.
Contrary to appearances, we haven't given up on sex. And we're sick of cleaning the house.
Sounds amazing, actually. Having a man clean your house.
There are a lot of women who really like the thought of a man cleaning their house. And I think they'll pay for it.
Well, for cleaning or for sex?
I would like to make an offer on the removals company pleased to move you.
Well, you can help us.
We clean houses and give orgasms. Obviously, there must be a minimum of 1 orgasm.
It's about to go on.
Excuse me, are you the one with the service?
I've heard it's very good. He gets into every crevice.
If I'm paying for it, I want lots of edging. Ease towards it, then back off. A delicious lead up, and then total annihilation.
Women are quite tricky to please. They all seem to say completely different things.
What if he doesn't like me?
Why do you think he wouldn't like you? I might have to forget myself to get started. You know, I think you were here to remember yourself.
Your job is to give orgasms.
It's not actually illegal. We checked.
We are fulfilling a need for all those women who feel sexually invisible.
Yes.
Sex, pleasure,
Integrity?
discretion.
Best ever route you get all year. Oh, I thought we were all going around. Yeah, integrity's good.
Yeah.